So, me see some people attack and say, Kartel smart, Kartel know what I do. He know if he stay relevant and make people then talk about him. So, I want to know, when since Kartel have to wind up in underpants to stay relevant?
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I'm all out. You need to go in on a draw, take out the best looking color brief. You go in on the bathroom, on the video on yourself and listen to on the bar song and post it and tag him.
Batty boy!
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People are going, they don't know one Media Fox pan up in a yeah man. So people are bag thing are going on media. You see me? Bag thing. Right now, when I know the dancehall space, when I know the internet thing, like, from Kartel forward, I be a madness. I'm a been to tell people. So, brother, them man, they not really move the culture based by music. Wanna see what I go on in media, brother? I just have a controversy, madness, all of them little thing, the hype, everything. You see me? And we see everybody I try to suppress it and a bag of thing, but there's more to forward, It just started. It will get crazy. Remember me tell you that. You see me? Come see it forward long time. But we're going to hear what the brother you say.
About the winding up and down in the underpants, me no see who not talk about. He know if he stay relevant and make people then talk about him. So I want to know, when since Kartel have to wind up in the underpants to stay relevant? Because I know say back in a Kartel time, a good music keep him relevant.
Brother, they say you get it wrong. What kind of good music keep Kartel relevant? Say murder people in a broad daylight? Influence people for cake swap, face, all of them little thing there? Freaky girl, all of them think them they are good music, dog. They're not good music, my G. You understand? The kids and the people, them always a lead astray. Because you don't know them have the influence. They're not good music, my G. May I tell you that. For the good music, you wouldn't see the effect. But it's not. You understand? Remember, saying a couple of the music, them usually get banned by certain countries and bag of thing. You see me? What I see right now, let me tell you this. What I see right now is like people always say, yo, money change people. No. Money not change nobody. It only show your true personality. Which it turn on that switch there. For you show the world who you really are. And at that, I go with Kartel right now. Remember, say Kartel did don't tell you already, Kartel tell you, say, yo, from the Benz buy. If I get the Benz, you must say, yo, must say Kartel moving away. You see what I try to say? And as you see, what the brother right, Alkaline would never embarrass his fan like that. Alkaline is not that much. Everybody know that. Alkaline is more a militant person, more a smart person than Kartel, brother. Kartel have to do things in the media to get attention. Alkaline don't. The more Alkaline stay out on the media, the more him name call. You see me? Seem like how you write that text, yeah. You see me? What happened with Vybz Kartel right now? Him atmosphere change. Because let me tell you, Kartel more like have usually our bagger youth around him where we do things. You see me? Him not really do much. I just see youth them where they run him the vile. You understand? But if you realize right now, all of them youths are gone. Who get put in a dirt, who they are jail. You understand? So him in a different atmosphere, which is the United States now. You see me? So you see when all of that them youth there, when them youth there around him couldn't do move like this. He would not do them something here because him have some gangster running and them little thing there. You understand? But now all of them gangster they left. It only leave him for sure that true personality there. Which add in to riches and every little thing. You see me? But I will listen to what I say.
You see me? But it's on them not shutting us so. Right now, he have to do something. He can't do no normal thing right now if he say the people talk about him, So, he have to go lowest level, wind up in the underpants. The people talk about him. Because watch you now. The youth then catch up you now. Because when you check it out, nobody really take nothing from Kartel again, Nobody not really take. Remember one time when Kartel, him say few look slang, everybody run with it. You see me? But then thing they not go on again.
Yes, because I mean at the media every day, everybody tired of him. You have to understand now, bro. There's a lot of dancehall artists in the game now than the last 13 years ago. You understand? There's a lot of dancehall artists in the game right now. So it's like dancehall have a huge amount of young artists than back then. You understand? So it's like everybody are pretty different right now. Have other artists for be a fan of and all of them. But then it kind of limited the big Gaza thing or the goalie thing, bugger thing. You see me? And you have to understand how Kartel works. If you realize basically what them say, he might do a promotion of a song. But if you know Kartel, that's what I'm telling you, not even some of them Gaza fans know Kartel. I tell you. Remember say back in the days how Kartel usually work. Him usually do things, create the controversy, and then follow behind with a song. So seem like the bleach out, the tattoo, him sing, yes, him have song for that. Him always do things for, you understand? But look at now, why you see Kartel in a video right now, you know? You know why? Because him not have nothing for really piggyback pan, base pan himself. So what you see him do now, him do all of them something there which I'm more like him personality I do. Him couldn't do it back then. Because look at now, him there yard, him have a lot of enemies. You see me? So him couldn't move them way there. Him have to move like a G, although the same man them with the run him at the real G. You see me? But now, all of that change. So now, all of them shell their father for him now. So are the true Kartel you know see? Because back then it wasn't the true Kartel. A lot of people usually they run him could have tell us say a lot of things was that go on and Ray. You see me? But if you realize now, them same people where usually they run him, not they run him no more. You see me? Yeah. So I tell people say, brother, some people say, yo, the true one left in a prison. Bro, I see him personally I look on. The only difference is that him atmosphere change. You see me? Him feel more free now. Because when him did outside back then Ray, him did have to move, do a different personality and hide it. Because him have a lot of enemies. You understand? So now, when them the enemies they may be gone or so like that, and him they in one different country now, when I see the true G, that you don't realize. You understand?
You see me? So, what Uno need to do now? Uno, and all them man them with they on their live attack and a chat about Kartel this and Kartel that, me notice everything. Uno quick for jump out and say, Kartel tune reach number one, that this a number one, him buy this, him buy that, but me no see no talk about it winding up and down in the underpants. Me no see who not talk about that. See?
No, them not gonna talk about it. You see me? Them not gonna talk about it. Them shame. Some of them shame. And the way of them shame, them are gonna double down and defend it. You understand? That's why I tell you say, none of these Gaza man, them never rate Kartel for him music. Them rate him for him personality, him influence, not for him music. Because if I did for him music, them would have forward out and say, yo, I shaggy in the media. What kind of thing that? Enough of the people them around Kartel or who rate Kartel is not because of music. Because if I did him music, them would have tell him the truth. If you realize, Kartel buy house, yo, them start use that against the artist, rich, this, rare, everything what him do. But when him put out him music them cannot break down the music them. You understand? Them use it. Everything what him do is just hype. Hype them use. You understand? Hype. And once a hype they die down, them forget about the music. You see me? Or just that. If there was no internet, you would understand the difference. You see me? That's how him build him fans them. Him not build him fans them with just music alone. It's more like a controversy thing, like a worshipping thing. That's how him grow him artist them and a bagger thing. You see it? I tell you that. Because right now, if Kartel leave for doing full years, so full 35 years, none of them would have done with him. They would have gone and say other fans and all of them look at things. I tell you. You see me? None of them will you say a different Kartel and the thing right now. Them shame. I shame them shame, you know. You see me? And it only show them up say, them not rate Kartel because of music. That's why them not no morals. They say, yo, what is? Not for them would have really want to get personal with the artist. That's why you see them move so emotional. You see me, and defend it. Especially the man them. You understand? The man them will cuss out the woman them and say, yo, this the boss, way. You don't think so them are part of your entourage or something. You see me? Yeah man, them man yeah, where you see a different cartel with that thing that we go on the media. Enough of them. They will dash with them woman for cartel. You see me? Because like, them personally connected, them emotionally connected to the artist, not his music.
So, all I say, you can go and chat, no chat for now till the morning. See? The fact still remains, say, the song them now hit like where they used to hit. So, what you need to do now, all I know Gaza fans and everybody, you need to come together and keep a little retirement party. You all want to keep a little retirement party for Kartel. See? No make him do nothing more. If you don't send him half good, no make him do nothing more else. Out of line. Just send him half good. Yeah.
To brief from Bandit Squad. Remember send out a message to brief from Bandit Squad. Remember tell us some all I know. You don't need to go in on the draw, take out the best looking color, brief. On go in the bathroom, on the video yourself and listen to on the bass song and post it and tag him. And show him some.
Nika Fire, we are tell the man them for the bro. We are tell the man them for go do that. What kind of thing that? You even make things worse than we Kartel at the dog. What kind of thing that? Just tell the man them say you go promote the man song brother and buy the man song and stream the man song brother. What kind of you tell the man them go put on this and go in a bathroom bro? Come on brother my youth. If you are this man them and stop motivate the man them for the fuck. You see it?
Support. When nobody coming in my inbox, when nobody coming for my message, when I go support on the boss. You have new album a drop, you have new song a drop, when you support him by going on the bar.
Yo, make sure when Kartel album drop, you know, I hope the Gaza man them have the same energy. If you defend, if you make sure I say defend for buying the streams them, you know. Remember that, you know, and just remember say YouTube is not there anymore. You understand? Remember that dog. Cause remember say Kartel last album, it not sell nothing. You see me? So make sure say all of the strength on have for these people and all of them and bring down other artists. Just remember say yo, make sure say wanna bring up the views, the streaming them for the artist album. You see me? Yeah man.
In on the brief, I'll get a bonnet too and play on the bass song in the background and video on yourself and post it and tag on the bass. Nobody ramp with me, I laugh at me say, no come out of my inbox. Hold out the brief squad. On the lift up man.
So we see Armanii forward out I want show sing one Alkaline song. You see me? Nah like yo that song yeah, powerful song man. I tell you that song yeah, it's just a one of a kind song. The song is like when Alkaline perform this, him not have to say none. Can just drop a mic and just go and stand up and draw easy and I watch the crowd that sing. Very powerful song. You see me? Or if you big up Armanii, you don't know him rate Alkaline. You see me? Alkaline I'm idol, somebody who him look up to and motivate him and thing, you see me? And it's a great look, because at the end of the day I say it thing go. You see me? If you rate an artist and you feel for say you're rare, I say it go. You see me? And you don't know it's a brother way having vocals and he can sing. You see me? And the crowd that sing loud, so you what go on. You could never do without no well. I believe everything's in the media. You mean the world to me, no girl. I could have me, I want to do them. You give up on me, peace, baby. Way. Hey, one chance that.
Before we play the next one, let me see some phone like over here, so
Yeah, man, people, you don't know. That was a powerful selection by Armanii, Alkaline song. You see me? Tough song, man. The song there is like, you can't just play it if you and your girl in your house and you live together, and the girl, you know, you might have shake up more while and, you know, but, you know, you just play it in the house and, you know, your girl in there and say, yo, she want to give up and she tired of this and that. Just play the song, man. You see me? It's a powerful song. You see, just play it. You see it? Yeah, man, just play it, man. You don't know. But I just one of them thing there. The media going crazy right now, people. And I try for best for no pay it. Because, you know, I'm there for music. I'm not there for no man. Is what I try to say. Rate an artist. Because at the end of the day, no people. If the artists them never did do no music, none at all, wouldn't they talk about them? Wouldn't know them. You understand? So at the end of the day, if there is no music, it don't make any sense. You see me? I it we there for. We're not there for no man. You see me? I'm kind of realize the media go crazy right now. I don't know, social media, sometimes it better you just go watch a movie or something. It's crazy out there, especially if you see some man in the media defend certain things. Sometimes you wonder if them have a woman. You understand? To real, because imagine them woman here them a defend a man, so. You see me? Yeah, man, them man here in the media, dog, them not on a backbone. Remember me tell you that, brother. Some of them want to get personal with the artist rather than tell the artist the truth. Nothing wrong. You see me? Any artist forward out, or if Alkaline forward out, I see him touching. You see me? Because at the end of the day, I music with there for. Without the music, it don't make no sense. Couldn't be a dancehall artist. You see me? Yeah. Music, me say. You see me? So, all of them crazy things they are going on dancehall, brother. And a bag of excuse about rich and body shame and all of them little thing there. Brother, that's what I'm telling you, you know. Pick on a side. Choose an artist where I represent, because this only gonna get to a different level. If you know who Kartel is, them man they have an influencer syndrome, brother. You see me? And sometimes you might think say in a life people rich and feel say, oh, because the people rich I'm happy. Sometimes I saw it go. You see me? Sometimes you will see some signs in the media and you realize sometimes them just lonely. You see me? Them not have nothing to do. Life. Sometimes you might reach a living part and things where you do back in the past. Sometimes them think they can forward up and haunt you, dog. You see me? Yeah. Sometimes happiness, it not for sure. To the media, you're just happy. You don't need that for sure people say you're happy. If you're happy, you're happy. You see me? Sometimes when you see them think they're sad, people sad. If me I go post up say, pan media and say, yo, I am happy. I'm not happy, me happy. I'm sad, me sad. Why me have to tell you, say me happy? That don't make no sense. You understand? So sometimes I see things in the media and feel like say, yo, this and that. I'm not happy, brother. Sometimes seeking attention is a part of sadness. May I tell you? And then when you get the attention now, you try to double down on it and say this and that and try to explain. Sad, you're sad, brother. Your life not going good. You see me? No matter what money you have. As me say, you know, you can have 10 houses, you only can live in a one. You can have 10 cars, and one alone you can drive. You have 10 beds, and one alone you can sleep in. You understand? So no matter how rich you be, no means say you must happy. Enough rich people out there will take them own life. You understand? Enough rich people you see maybe I post by the media and say happiness. You understand? So you don't know what go on. Is it? But people, big up on yourself and know say one media facts man happy. Yeah man. That is it.